Guru Mukha Padmavaka Chitete Korya Aika Ana Karihamanayasha. Powerful words. Every line of this song is very powerful. We sing it every day. The words from the lotus mouth of the Guru, Guru Mukha Padmavaka, I make it one with my heart, with my very being, with my consciousness, not desiring anything else. One of my disciples, in a Vyasa Puja offering to my fallen self, stated that he had asked a senior godbrother of his that although daily we sing this in Guru Puja, he stated, my heart is still full of worldly desires, and also very often I have failed to carry out the orders of Guru Maharaj and failed to follow his instructions. So I feel guilty while singing these lines. So he asked his senior godbrother, shall I skip singing these lines? And the reply came, no, we should continue singing. We should continue singing these lines daily. Not only during the Guru Puja, but at every moment we should contemplate this line, meditate on it, serve accordingly, and pray to Guru and Krishna to bring us up to this level. Well, when there will be no desires left in our hearts other than fulfilling the orders of the spiritual master. Should we stop singing? I don't really feel it. I'm not up to that level. Is it hypocritical to sing? Guru Mukha Padmavaka Chitete Korya Aika Ana Karihamanayasha. Is it hypocritical to sing that when I know in my heart I have so many other desires? Well, we offer obeisance, which indicates submission. We may not fully feel submissive, totally, but should we stop offering obeisance? Should we stop chanting Shikshashtaka, na dhanam, na janam, na sundarim? We desire so many things in this world. Should we stop chanting this? Should we stop chanting Hare Krishna? O Lord, O Krishna, O energy of Krishna, please engage me in your service. We're praying like that. At the same time, we have other desires. So should we stop chanting Hare Krishna? No, we should continue. It's called sadhana. Sadhana means practice, reprogramming our consciousness by repetition. Again and again and again we say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Again and again we say na dhanam, na janam, na sundarim. Again and again we say Guru Mukha Padmavaka Chitete Korya Aika Ana Karihamanayasha. We keep on, we're reprogramming ourselves. Our consciousness is polluted. By repetition, we're reprogramming ourselves. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's program is Sadhana Bhakti Hoite Hoi Premer Udgam. That by sadhana bhakti, by this practice of devotional service, prem, love of Krishna, will arise. Of course, we also find in Caitanya-caritamrta, Bhukti Mukti Adi Bancha Jadi Mane Hoi Sadhana Korele. Bhukti Mukti Adi Bancha Jadi Mane Hoi Sadhana Korele Prem Utpanna Na Hoi. There's a condition where by doing sadhana, premer udgam, prem arises in the heart, but there's a condition. It won't arise if we have desires for material enjoyment or desires for liberation. Then we can go on doing sadhana, but it won't happen. Therefore, sadhana, it's not mechanical, but we have to pray also. We're praying to Krishna, please engage me in your... The prayerful attitude has to be there, and the desire by again and again stating, again and again hearing, that we're not meant for enjoying this world. And by associating with devotees who are also cultivating that, then we know what our aim is. We know what the obstacles are within our heart. It's a practice. And gradually, by the mercy of Krishna, we will become free from all desires, and we will come to the level of love of Krishna. But we have to have very clearly that goal in mind, that I'm practicing for pure devotional service. I want to be a pure devotee of Krishna. I don't want all these things in my heart. I don't want, I do want. In the core of my being, I know I shouldn't want these things, but still that contamination is there. But it's a cultivation, cultivating the garden of bhakti to be free from all extraneous desires. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Bhukti Mukti Adi Banchajari Mane Hoy, Sadhana Korele Prem Utpanna Na Hoy. We won't get love of Krishna as long as these things are within the heart. That means we are not trying to reinforce our material desires. We consciously make a program that we know this is the level we have to come to. This is what we're aiming at. At the same time, we know that clearing the dirty things in the heart may take some time. So again, it requires patience. Utsahan nischa dharyat. We have to do it with enthusiasm. We have to do it with determination and patience also. And keep on going and don't stop. It's a very high level, actually, to say, Guru Mukha Padmavaka, Chitete Korya Aika Ana Kori Hamane Asha. In one sense, there's a very high level. In another sense, it's the beginning. To actually be free from all other desires is very high for us who are conditioned in material existence. But the resolve to come to that level is the beginning of our sadhana. Of sadhana, which is aiming at prema bhakti, pure devotion. In this regard, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur expressed the attitude of a sincere disciple. Our Guru Maharaj was not an instructor in any subject concerned with enjoyment of this material world. Again, he was the sole unmistaking judge of all topics of this world. But I am deprived and fallen. Because of my weakness, not everything, my Guru Maharaj said, entered my heart. So this is the same dilemma being expressed. I know my Guru, he knows, he's got it right. He's leading me in the right direction. But due to my weakness, due to myself being fallen, even though he's giving me the right instruction, everything he said has not fully entered my heart. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur continues, yet may I have millions of tongues and millions of heads to repeat whatever did enter my ear by his mercy, and a lifespan of millions of years in unlimited universes for broadcasting descriptions of his incomparable, non-harmful compassion. So, what's going on here? Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur is saying, my Guru has given the right thing. I didn't properly accept it due to my weakness and my fallen condition, but let me broadcast it. Let me preach it. I know it's the right thing, so let me broadcast it widely. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur said, that will be my Guru Puja. He will be satisfied and being pleased will shower unlimited benediction, whereby I will be able to broadcast descriptions of his mercy with even more millions of tongues. Saraswati Thakur is saying, let me preach that message, and by his mercy I'll be able to preach it more and more. And then Saraswati Thakur says, on that day I will get released from the glorification of all topics related to this destructible illusion and from all kinds of mundane education within the universe. So in other words, I know what my Guru says is right. I'm weak, I'm fallen, I haven't been able to fully appreciate it, but I know it's right. So let me preach it. Let me glorify Him and go on doing that. And by His mercy, realization will come within the heart and it will actually become a fact. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chitete Kuriya Aikya Ana Kuriya Homanayasha. That will not be something that I'm aspiring for, but it will actually be the condition of my heart. We also sing that by His mercy, Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaha Hoite, Dibya Gyan Hriday Prakashito. So all these effects are there. So we may not have fully realized, but we know it's right. So let us preach it, share it with others, and we ourselves become more and more convinced by doing so, and that reality which he speaks of becomes the reality. By His mercy, that reality becomes our consciousness. And then material desires no longer remain.